This is good. We're gonna be taking you guys back to see some of this molding, but I want to take a look at this cabinets first. Hello, guys. Oh. Hey guys, it's DuVäl and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not in the office today. I'm actually bringing you guys to a job site. And so this is one of the projects that we've been designing for the last several months. We're gonna call this the Elm Street project. And so we're walking through the entryway, but I wanted to specifically take you guys to the kitchen today. They actually have been installing the cabinets. It's my first time seeing it today, so I actually wanted to bring you guys along. As you can see, the cabinets are up and it's not gonna be the standard white that you find in so many houses. This client has given us the opportunity to take a risk. And when she was talking about the color that she wanted, I'm not sure what you guys can see, but it is actually not a black. It is a very deep navy. The client was talking about how she wanted something that was different. She wanted a bold color, but she did not want it to feel like an accent color. So the only thing I could think about was how could I make a very dark neutral feel classic and not feel like something that just was too over the top or too extravagant, right? I don't know if you guys could check. Could you see the scale and the size of this and how small I look inside this huge kitchen? We actually took the cabinetry all the way up to the top to hit the ceiling, and we're gonna be installing our backsplash here soon. We partnered up with Showplace to do these cabinets. We did a custom color called Soot. So if you're ever interested in one, this is a very perfect neutral balance between having a dark, bold statement, but not feeling too over the top. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoy it. As the time goes on, I'm gonna be putting in fixtures and our accessories. We are definitely gonna do a modern gold touch to it. But for now, I have some other things I need to check on. So I'll get back in touch with you guys when I'm around. See you soon.